Welcome back. What I want to talk about today is using the difference formula, the limit of the difference formula to find the derivative of a function. Hopefully by now you've looked through the material and seen the videos that explain what it means in terms of the secant line and how the limit as h goes to 0 gives you the slope of the tangent line, which then is what we mean by first derivative. But I want to focus on the algebra. So let's take a look at a specific example. 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. So first we need to understand what does f of x plus h mean. And of course it means that everywhere we had an x, we now put x plus h. And so, as you can see, everywhere we had an x, we put an x plus h, but we now need to do the algebra. And for example, square out the x plus h squared. Just FOIL it, or however you like to write that, but it'll be the first one squared, twice the product, and the last one squared. Let's multiply 4 through. And board's acting a little funny on me. 4x minus 4h plus 7. So, yeah. And let's go back and make that a plus. And then we multiply, so we get 3x squared plus 6hx plus 3h squared minus 4x minus 4h plus 7. So in the difference formula there, we now know what x plus h means. We know what f of x means, so we can put those in. Let's put that into the formula. F of x plus h. It's acting very bizarre. Let's see if we can struggle through. F of x plus h minus f of x over h. Well, there's our f of x plus h. It's 3x squared. I'll come down here, 3x squared plus 6hx plus h squared, and then 3h squared. Minus 4x minus 4h plus 7. Then we have to subtract 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. And my board keeps messing up on me. Try writing it one more time. 3x squared. It's not usable like this. 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. And all of that has to be over h. And if you look closely, you'll see that we've got a minus 3x squared plus 3x squared. We've got a minus 4x minus a minus 4x. That'll go to 0. We've got a 7 minus a 7. So what we're left with is just 6hx plus 3h squared minus 4h over h, which we can factor an h out of. 6x plus 3h minus 4 and now it's grabbed it and x over h, which will let us cancel our h. Which leaves us with just the fact that the difference formula for a particular function just gives us 6x. Plus 3h minus 4. And so when we go to f prime, it's just the derivative, the limit of that. So what we have then is that f prime of x is the limit as h approaches 0 of what we have here, which is 6x plus 3h minus 4. And in this situation, you just plug in a 0 for h, so you get 6x plus 3 times 0 minus 4. And so we have that f prime of x is 6x minus 4. And that's our final answer.